Very good morning, children. Chapter 2, Food and Health. Here the topic healthy habit. So today we will start the topic healthy habit, and we will discuss about the health and the habits which are healthy for a person. And what are the habits which comes under the healthy habit. So habits. First thing is, what is habit? So habit is a behavior that a person does often or regularly. Means a, a same behavior, a same type of things which you do on a regular basis, on a regular interval, is your habit. Means some people want to shake their legs while sitting. जब वो बैठते हैं तो वो अपने पैरों को हिलाने की कोशिश करते हैं या हिलाते हैं. Similarly, some people bite their nails, or some children bite their nails. Some people usually talks in a very louder manner. Some people usually smile. They give a smile. So these are certain kind of habits or behavior which a person does, or a person shows. That is a habit of that person. So habit is a behavior, the behavior which we repeat, that is our habit. Like sometimes a person which is very good in everything, but sometimes they talk nonsense things. So this is their behavior. This is type of thing which they want to prove themselves very good, but actually they are not good. So this is all things that is done by a person in a regular way is known as habit. Sometimes this habit is good and sometimes this habit is bad. Here we will discuss about the healthy habit, and if the healthy word is linked or joined with the habit, then the habit will be good. So healthy habit. What is healthy habit? Healthy habit is the behavior which benefits or improves our physical, mental and emotional health. So healthy habit is what? Those habits or those behavior which improves our health. What type of health? Our physical health, our mental health and our emotional health. So all those habits which benefits or which improves our whole personality. And in our whole personality, the physical health, the mental health and emotional health is related. The physical health is what? The our body, the body become healthy without any disease. Mental strong. Mentally, if we are healthy, means we are very positive. If we are very positive person, then this is due to the healthy habit. And emotional health means we always think the good thing. हम अच्छी चीज़ों के बारे में हमेशा सोचेंगे. सो फिज़िकल हेल्थ जो हमारी दिखती है, हम बॉडी से स्ट्रांग होंगे तो वो हमारी फ़िज़िकल हेल्थ है. मेंटल हेल्थ शो करता है कि हम अच्छे से अपने सारे कामों को कर लेते हैं, पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, हम अपनी सारी चीज़ों को वेल वे में, वेल मैनर्ड में परफॉर्म करते हैं. दैट इज़ आवर मेंटल हेल्थ. इट शोज़ आवर मेंटल हेल्थ. एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ शोज़ that we are very positive person. मीन्स हम कभी भी कोई गलत डिसीज़न नहीं लेंगे, हम जब भी बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे. दिस ऑल कम्स अंडर द इमोशनल हेल्थ. सो दिस व्हेन द बिहेवियर इम्प्रूव्स, और हमारा कोई भी ऐसा हैबिट और बिहेवियर जो हमारे इन फिज़िकल, मेंटल और इमोशनल हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करता है, देन दैट हैबिट इज़ नोन एज हेल्दी हैबिट. नाउ what are the parts of healthy habit, or healthy habits having how many hands? So healthy habits includes balanced diet, exercise, correct posture and rest. These are the parts which healthy habit includes. So first thing is balanced diet. So balanced diet, as you know, and as we have discussed and learned about the diet, the food and the nutrients and the balanced diet. So the diet which having all type of nutrients in adequate amount for healthy functioning of the body is known as balanced diet. A diet is all that we consume in a day. What is diet? डाइट है क्या? तो द थिंग विच वी कंज्यूम, जो हम रेगुलरली खाते हैं या लेते हैं अपनी बॉडी में, दैट इज़ नोन एज डाइट. And what is balanced diet? So balanced diet is a diet that contains an adequate quantity of the nutrient that we require in a day. So in a day, what type of nutrients we are required, that is known as balanced diet. So balanced diet is the diet that contains all the nutrients and food groups in adequate quantity for the healthy functioning of the body. That is balanced diet. Now balanced diet contains, the 5 types of major nutrients. Like you are aware about this: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. These are the nutrients which are essential for the body health, good health of the body, and these all comes under the balanced diet. If our diet contains all these nutrients in a proper amount, then our diet become balanced. So the requirement of nutrients depend on the age, gender, health of a person. What does it mean? What means a nutrient? Nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals, the requirement of these nutrients is completely depend or based on the age of the person. If a person is very small, then the requirement of the nutrient will be different. If the person is older in age, then the requirement of these nutrients will be different. And also the requirement of the nutrient will depend on the gender. The female or male. Like male person who do the very hard work in a regular way, so they need more energy, whereas a female person require more calcium and iron. So the requirement of the nutrients depend on the gender also, and the condition of the health. Like if a person is not very healthy, weak, then their requirement of the nutrient will be increased. But if the person having much nutrient in the body already, then they do not need the more nutrients. So the quantity of nutrient depend on the age, gender and health. This line is very important. Okay. Now the importance of balanced diet, it helps in proper growth of the body. Balanced diet leads to a good physical and mental health. It increases the capacity to work. Balanced diet increases the ability to fight or resist diseases. So these are certain importance of balanced diet. That is very important. And I will give this work for a homework also. Now the next topic is exercise. So regular exercise and outdoor games improves our stamina and strength. As you know, the children usually want to play the outdoor games. Because they like the outdoor games rather than the indoor games. In outdoor games, the football, the basketball, the running, cycling, these are certain outdoor games in which they actually spends their lots of energy, and by spending the energy, the circulation of blood will increased. So regular exercise and outdoor games improves our stamina एंड स्ट्रेंथ. हमारी बॉडी का स्टैमिना इम्प्रूव करता है, बिल्डअप करता है, एंड बॉडी के ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को भी इम्प्रूव करता है. सो व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स इन द एक्सरसाइज? इट हेल्प्स इन वेट मैनेजमेंट. अगर इफ देयर आर टू चिल्ड्रन, one want to play outdoor all time and one want to play indoor games. So the child which want to play outdoor games become very healthy, and he will be stronger than the boy who want to play indoor games, because outdoor games also help to maintain the weight of the boy. It improves the health of the bone and muscles. So for the good health of our bone and muscles, the outdoor games are very good or essential. Exercise relief from physical pains. When we do exercise, वी विल रिलीव फ्रॉम द पेन्स ऑल्सो, किसी भी तरीके के पेन में, दर्द में भी हमको रिलीफ मिलता है. इट एक्सरसाइज बूस्ट आवर मेंटल हेल्थ. बूस्ट मीन्स आपकी बॉडी में जो आपके मेंटल हेल्थ है, जो हमारे ब्रेन की हेल्थ है, उसको बूस्टअप करता है, उसको बहुत ही इम्प्रूव करता है, फास्टली इम्प्रूव करता है. कौन? हमारी फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइज और हमारा आउटडोर गेम. देन एक्सरसाइज इंक्रीजेज आवर एनर्जी लेवल. ऑल्सो इट इंक्रीजेज आवर एनर्जी लेवल भी इम्प्रूव करता है. इट गिव्स प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट हेल्थ कंडीशंस and it also provide protection against the diseases because the exercises also improve the stamina of the body, and if our stamina will be if we have developed the stamina, then we will definitely we will definitely fight against the diseases properly. Now the next topic is correct posture. So correct posture is what? Posture is the position in which we hold our body when we sit, stand or move. How we move, how we walk, how we sit, how we stand, this all thing is the posture. So sometimes we sit, sometimes we become very lazy and we don't want to sit in a proper way, not in a straight way. Sometimes our backbone is not straight, then that posture is not correct. So proper posture improves spine. स्पाइन मीन्स बैकबोन, जो हमारी पीठ की, रीढ़ की हड्डी है. हेल्थ सिटिंग एंड स्टैंडिंग विथ प्रॉपर ब्लड फ्लो. बिकॉज अगर हम प्रॉपरली, इफ़ वी विल नॉट सिट प्रॉपरली विद अ स्ट्रेट स्पाइन, देन द ब्लड फ्लो विल बी नॉट प्रॉपर, विल नॉट बी प्रॉपर. दिस सपोर्ट आवर मसल्स. तो करेक्ट पोस्चर की वजह से हमारे जो बॉडी है और मसल्स है उनको सपोर्ट मिलता है. देन सस्टेनिंग good posture is a big part of our health. Due to correct posture, the body weight will be equally distributed. What does it mean? आपकी बॉडी अगर स्ट्रेट है तो आपकी बॉडी का होल वेट आपकी पूरी बॉडी पे इक्वल पड़ेगा. लेकिन अगर आप टेढ़े बैठे हैं, झुक के बैठे हैं, झुक के खड़े हैं, तो आपकी बॉडी का वेट इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होगा, जिसकी वजह से किसी भी एक बॉडी पार्ट पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर पड़ेगा और इसकी वजह से वो बॉडी पार्ट में पेन स्टार्ट होगा. सो दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ करेक्ट पोस्चर. नाउ द रेस्ट. You all know the importance of rest. We all want to sleep. We all want to take rest for reducing the stress and for improving the concentration. हम अपने स्ट्रेस को, अपनी थकान को हटाने के लिए और अपने दिमाग को कंसंट्रेट करने के लिए we always need rest. Rest relaxes our mind and muscles so that we can easily focus on our work with more active brain. If we take rest properly, we will actually work more actively. So children need 8 to 10 hours of sleep in a day. Thank you children. This is your worksheet which I will give you in the homework. Habit is a dash. This is a fill up. There are 5 fill in the blanks. Habit is dash. Healthy habit improves our dash mental and dash health. Healthy habit includes dash exercise, correct posture and dash. Exercise boosts our dash and increases our energy dash. Then fifth, dash relaxes our mind and dash. सो ये फिलअप आपको आपकी इसी वीडियो में मिलेगा. सो प्लीज़ वॉच द वीडियो कम्प्लीटली एंड देन ओनली यू कैन डू दिस. एंड दिस वर्कशीट इज़ एक्चुअली फॉर द टेस्ट कि हाउ यू हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द वीडियो और नॉट. वॉच द कंप्लीट वीडियो एंड थैंक यू.